Hi everyone and welcome to Currabee Special School. Coming towards the end of week 7 and we've had a lot of fun this week in some slightly cooler weather. I had a great time last week on my Magic Door adventure with the senior students. It was great to join in with their learning rotations and I hope you enjoyed watching at home. Really good fun. I'm really excited about seeing where we go today, so let's go and have a look. Here I am in Zoe's class.
Hello,
Hi guys.
Steve. Say hi.
What are we doing?
Hi, Steve.
Hello Abdullah. Hello Eli. Hello Kai. Hello Jaden.
Jaden.
Hello Jaden. Hi guys. Hey Oscar. Hello Oscar.
Oscar.
Hello. What are we doing today? Cooking. Can I join you?
Yeah.
Excellent. What are we cooking?
Tell us, what are we cooking?
Chicken stir fry, my favourite. I didn't bring any lunch today, so that has worked out very well. What do we need to do first?
Well, we've got to check our ingredients.
Okay.
Okay, so let's check. Do we have a chicken breast?
Yes.
Alright, so we've got a list here to check off, do we?
No.
I've just got a method there.
Cookie.
So we've got a chicken breast, so tick off the chicken.
Let's tick the chicken.
No chicken.
Yes, chicken.
Tick, good man. We've got chicken.
We've got chicken.
What's next?
Do we
We
have...
got no onion.
Oh no, I forgot the onion. So
So no onion.
no onion.
No onion. Cross. No onion.
Cross. You want to do it
No onion.
No onion. Okay. What's next? Abdullah, can you tell me what's
Yeah.
next?
What's next? Mushrooms.
Mushrooms. We have mushrooms.
Mushrooms.
Good boy, Jaden. That's your
Hello,
mushroom.
Jaden. That's Jaden's mushroom.
Where are you? What's next?
What's next, Oscar?
Broccoli.
Broccoli, and we've got broccoli.
Do we have broccoli?
Broccoli.
Broccoli.
Healthy broccoli.
Yeah.
Hang on. Wait.
Do we have mushrooms?
He's
Okay.
eating.
It's okay. Everybody.
Oscar is eating.
All right. What's next?
What's next, Abdullah?
Oscar is eating.
What's next?
Mushroom.
What's
We've
this
done
one?
mushroom. What's after mushroom?
What is that?
Broccoli.
We've done
Noodles. Yeah. We've got noodles. So pick the noodles.
Fresh hoppy noodles.
I've got some fresh
Fresh
hoppy
hoppy
noodles.
noodles.
Yes, sit down.
Hang on,
Jaden.
wait.
Tickets. Tickets.
Good waiting, Oscar.
Okay, what's next?
Stir fry sauce.
Stir fry
Stir-fry
sauce.
sauce.
Ah, very good. Stir fry
Stir-fry
sauce.
sauce.
Tick.
Give it a tick. Alright, what's next?
2 more.
Pepper and salt.
Pepper. Got pepper.
Pepper. Oscar, pepper.
Yes.
What's the last
And
one?
salt.
Salt.
Wow, you've got a lot of salt.
This is my box of salt.
Salt.
And
And
then
olive oil.
put in some oil. Finished. We're ready to start cooking.
You ready?
All right. What do we do
Let's go.
next? Okay, babe. We've put the oil in the pot and we've turned on the stove. What do we need to add next?
The chicken breast.
The chicken breast. All right, off you go.
Oh.
Good man. Give it a stir.
It's sticky.
Just give it a stir. That'll be okay.
Sticky.
Yeah, you only need a splash. Hang on, wait. Remember what I said? You want to get all your chicken away from all that junk on the bottom and you want to pour it on the stuff on the bottom. That's it. And then use this to get it off. your chicken smells even more chickeny. Oh, yes, soy sauce. I'm teasing you. Okay, Abdullah, the chicken's cooked. What do we need to do next?
Broccoli.
Broccoli. Grab the broccoli. Where is it? Show the camera the broccoli.
Show me the broccoli.
Yep, and let's add the broccoli to the pan. Alright, give it a good stir. He's off to the sink. Cleaning off the nose. Alright, give it a good stir. Well done. Okay, boys, so the broccoli's cooked. What's the next thing we need to add?
Salt.
Salt. How much salt do we need? A little or a lot?
A little.
Just a little. We've got a lot of salt there. Probably half of that. Just half of it. Beautiful. That's great. That's heaps. Good man. And what else? Salt and...
Salt.
What's the other one?
Pepper.
Oh, pepper. Where's your pepper?
The pepper.
Here it is. Alright. A couple of shakes of pepper.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
that's
good.
heaps. Alright, give it a good stir. Good man. And what's the next thing we need to add?
Chicken. Remove the chicken breast.
We've got one more thing to add.
Mushroom.
Mushrooms. Where are our mushrooms? Show the camera. Mushrooms, beautifully chopped. Alright, then we give that a stir.
Good baby.
Okay, Abdullah, good stirring. What do we need to add next?
Oh. Sauce.
Sauce. Where's the sauce?
Do you want it?
Show the camera.
Show me the camera.
Show Regina.
Show me here.
Okay, let's add the sauce.
Put it.
Tip it in. Good man. And you can use a spoon to get out those last couple of bits. And you give it a stir. Okay, give it a good stir. Okay, boys, so we've stirred the sauce in. What do we need to add next?
Abdullah.
The hockey noodles. Show the camera. Hockey and noodles. Do we need to open the bag a bit more? Let me give you a hand. That's it. Good job. Give it a stir. Here it is, the chicken stir fry.